Bago ang nalalapit na Coronation Night ng Mutya ng Pilipinas Pampanga 2026 sa buwan ng Agosto, bumisita muna at rumampa sa mga dealership ng Laos Group of Companies o LGC ang 12 candidates bilang bahagi ng kanilang mga pageant activities sa pangunguna ni MPP Provincial Director Chot Rojas. Unang humataw ang mga delegates sa Mitsubishi Car World City of San Fernando nitong Huwebes, July 9 sa pagbubukas ng kanilang dealership tour. Unang nagtipon ng candidates sa tanggapan ng Laos Group Event Center bago sumakay ng Mitsubishi Rosa Coaster papunta sa ilang automotive brands ng kumpanya. Malugod silang winelcome ni LGC FVP and Associate Business Director Brian Lee, LGC Business Development Director and Auto Brand Group Head Donald Calma, at Mitsubishi Car World Business Manager Cherry De Vera.
Of course, beyond our automotive brands and vehicles, this partnership is about celebrating women who embody, of course, confidence, grace, purpose, leadership. We're also proud to celebrate our very own Kapampangans who continue to inspire us and represent the talent, strength, and spirit of our province.
Ayon pa kay Lee, higit pa sa pageantry ang layunin ng partnership dahil nagbibigay din ito ng pagkakataon sa mga kababaihang maibahagi ang kanilang mga advocacy. Kaugnay nito, naglibot din ang mga kandidata sa iba't ibang dealerships upang ma-experience ang mga automotive brands ng LGC at makilala ang mga dealership teams nito.
So we are honored to support a platform that celebrates empowered Filipina, inspires confidence, purpose, and leadership, creates meaningful opportunities to connect with our community. Today's visit is an opportunity to bring our partnership closer to the community. Our 12 delegates have been assigned to different Laos Group dealerships from San Fernando to Bacolor. So they will have the opportunity, of course, to experience our automotive brands and vehicles, meet our passionate dealership teams, discover the quality, innovation, and excellence that define the Laos Group experience.
Speaking of advocacy, nagpasiklaban din ang mga kandidata sa isang short Q&A segment sa tanong kung anong programa ang kanilang isusulong sakaling sila ay maging local officials. Ibinahagi ng mga kandidata ang mga isyong malapit sa kanilang puso. Ilan sa mga binigyang diin ang child protection, sex education at animal welfare.
If I were to be an official here in Pampanga, I would implement a program and orientation and a seminar about children protection and well-being because it is very close to my advocacy. And I believe as someone who has grown up in Pampanga and was once a child myself, I believe that the children are not vulnerable nowadays. They may be sometimes, but we must realize that these children also is someone who aspire other people and not just ourselves. And I believe that it is important for us to prioritize children as well because they are our future.
So if I were be given a chance to be a local official, definitely I would like to focus more on sex education. In order for us to combat this kind of issue regarding on the children, of course, we must have a deeper understanding regarding on how to guide our children. And sex education that has something to do with the parenting, definitely. With that, we could be able to, foster a community that is safe for our children. So definitely with that, we could be able also to give the future that the children deserves and make a Pampanga a safe space and a better place for all of us. Thank you.
If I would be given a chance to be a local official or leader, I would implement what's really close to my heart. It would be building animal shelters. In reality, we are outnumbered in terms of animal shelters in our province. And to share with you all, I am an animal advocate focusing on adopting and rescuing stray animals. Wherein, in fact, I have adopted dog and rescued cats. And I also spend my spare time donating an hour and in-kind donations to animal shelters outside our province also. And with this, I can ensure that having concern to our vulnerable one, which is the animals, especially the strays, we can ensure having safe streets, public health, and this way we can teach our youth empathy. And I believe that if we heal our animals, we heal our people. Thank you.
Samantala, lubos naman ang pasalamat ni MPP Provincial Director Chot Rojas sa patuloy na suporta ng Laos Group sa prestihiyosong pageant.
Words are inadequate to express how grateful we are to the Laos group of companies, especially to the whole Laos family for the support for Mutya ng Pilipinas Pampanga since last year. And of course, we're very much happy that Laos group of companies is now the top contributor sa ating pageant as our major sponsor. And you know, they're not just major sponsor, they are our co-producer for this edition. And we're really looking forward for a great partnership. And in return, we will give them a great show for the competition.
Marami pa raw mga aktibidad na aabangan ng mga fans sa mga susunod na linggo, kabilang ang closed-door interview at swimsuit competition na gaganapin sa July 12. Magtatapos naman ang kompetisyon sa Grand Coronation Night sa August 8 na gaganapin naman sa Laos Group Event Center. Mapapanood din ito ng live sa CLTV36.
Kabalen, agkatanda kayo po, join us sa ating preliminary competition this July 12, 2026 sa Lakeshore, Philippines. That will be our closed-door interview and of course, as well as the swimsuit competition. And we're inviting all our kabalens para sa ating Grand Coronation Night sa Laos Group Event Center on August 8, 2026 at exactly 6 p.m. See you there, kabalen!
Ako si Jody Dizon Mercado para sa CLTV36 News.